Hello, you requested me to send you a video of the clock that I bought that does not work. So here is the old clock that I am replacing, and I am plugging it into the wall just to prove to you that the outlet works. Here is the packaging of the clock that was sent. Very good packaging overall. You can pull the clock out. A little hard to do one-handed, but I can carefully do that. And then if I plug in the plug to the wall, and one second, I need to untie this. Oh, there it goes. Okay, and I plug this power cord into the back of the clock right there. The clock does not turn on. Nothing happens. There is no power to the clock. It does not work.